Hi, and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS.
And my name's Dylan, I'm a lead installer at LCS.
So again this week, we have taken HVAC Talk on the road. We are actually at a customer's home. Beautiful day again, a little wet, but that's all right.
Oh, yeah.
But we're in the middle of installing a new furnace, a new air conditioner, a new whole house humidifier, and whole house dehumidifier at this job. Big job, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So Dylan, a few weeks ago, Travis and I talked a little bit about the benefits of a whole house dehumidifier. Tell us why today is a perfect day to have a whole house dehumidifier.
The whole house dehumidifier is nice now because it's only about 70 degrees, which means your AC is not going to run as much as it should to remove humidity. So the whole house dehumidifier will run even though your AC is not.
Okay, so say you were inside and you did not have a whole house dehumidifier. Would your house still feel cool?
It might still feel cool, but you're going to feel that muggy feeling,
so that muggy, sticky, very uncomfortable feeling on a day like this.
Exactly.
So when the whole house dehumidifier is running, that means that it could be running whether the AC is running or not.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. So, perfect day for it. This customer is going to be super happy to have one of these. We are going to move inside now to take a look at the actual equipment.
All right.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. We are taking a look at the new furnace that we are installing. So Dylan's in here. He's got that door open so we can see all of those parts inside of there. We are, oh, hey there, Ryan and Chris. How's it going?
Hi.
Hanging out waiting for us to get back. And here we are with the humidifier. So Dylan, this is a whole house humidifier, correct?
Yes.
All right, when is this going to be used?
This is going to be used mainly in the winter time. You can see it's got a damper in here to be able to shut it down during the summer months when you're not using it. And basically this is going to put humidity into the air when it's too dry in the winter.
Okay, excellent. And then the whole house dehumidifier that you were talking about, does it attach to the ductwork and the furnace just like the humidifier?
Yes, it does, but it's its own separate unit. It's a little bit different than this.
Okay.
The dehumidifier is sitting back here. A little hard to see, but this will actually have ductwork coming off of it and attaching to your system's ductwork.
Okay.
So, and this is going to be used in the summer, like we talked about earlier, to dehumidify the air in your home even if your AC is not running.
Okay, and that makes sense because there's definitely a different investment in a whole house humidifier versus a dehumidifier. But that makes sense being that, is that a drain line down there as well?
Yes, there's a drain line, there's a lot of electrical you got to do, duct work. This is basically like an indoor AC.
Okay.
It's got a lot of parts just like an AC does to remove the humidity.
Awesome. Okay, well that makes sense, and it's a big job. So how long did this job take, or how long is it taking to install?
This is our second day here, so we're probably going to have another full day here.
Okay, so about 2 full days to get the furnace, air conditioner, humidifier, and whole house dehumidifier installed.
Yep.
Okay, well that sounds great. Well, we're going to let you guys get back to it, but thanks for having us out and showing us what we're looking at here with the furnace. The Honeywell, there's a media cabinet, right?
Yep.
The filter goes right there. The whole house humidifier and the whole house dehumidifier. All right, until next time, thanks for joining us again on HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real.